Today we're going to install a jet performance module in a 2022 and up HEMI eTorque RAM. They're all the same. This is actually a 23, but the application's the same and the installation's the same. First, before you do any electrical work on any vehicle, disconnect the negative battery cable. We've already done that here. We're going to disconnect the wiring harnesses. There's a clip, push down, pull it forward, and it'll pull the harness out of the ECM. All of these ECMs are located in the same place. Pop that out. Now on these, there are wiring harness retainers. Sometimes they stick. We've taken these out once already, but if you need to get them out and they're stuck, just get a pair of needle nose behind them and pry them out of there. On these applications, you have to remove the computer from the car. I know it's tempting to try to install the module with the computer in the car, but if you do that, the likelihood of bending pins in your computer is very high because you're actually getting it in at an angle and not the way it's supposed to be straight. It's much easier to do it on a bench. We're going to take the entire plastic bracket out that holds the ECM. There's two 10mm bolts holding the bracket in. A long extension is helpful. This bolt that holds the ECM to the bracket, there's a ground cable to it. You need to remove it so we can get it out. As I said, there's these wiring harness clips. We've removed a lot of them. There's 5 or 6 of them that you have to remove to just lift this bracket out of the car. Now we're going to take this PCM over to the bench and install the module on it. So now that we've got the PCM out of the vehicle on the bench, we're going to be installing the module in this side of the PCM. As you'll notice, the number of pins is different, so you can't get it in the wrong side. The best way to do this is get it so it's flat. Take the module, install it, and just push it down and a little bit of wiggle going down. That's it. The module's installed. On the back of the module, there's a locking clip. Push it down. That's all you have to do. Now let's go back and reinstall it. Now we're going to reinstall the PCM in the vehicle. As you can see, we've already mounted the bracket. Just reverse what you did there. Reinstall the ground cable on the 8mm bolt here that's holding the PCM to the plastic bracket itself. Snug that down. When you do the reinstall of the harnesses, put the harness on the left on first so it clears the module. Use this to pull it back. It'll push the connector actually on. Same with this side. Just snug it down a little bit. Use this, pull it back. Puts the connector on. Then just simply re-plug in all your wire holders. Again, there's 4 or 5 of them holding these wiring harnesses in. That's it. You're set to go. Start the vehicle. Make sure there's no check engine lights. If there is, recheck your installation. Make sure the connectors are all the way down. And if you continue to have problems, call Jet at our tech line.